Hello, hola, welcome back to Rena MoMoney Plus videos. I'm your girl, Rena MoMoney, and today I'm shooting this video to tell you about the strategies to build a business in real estate. I'm going to tell you the 3 most common main strategies that you can choose from to achieve your goals. We will also talk about how to minimize your risk and save money. Now, there are pros and cons with each strategy. The market is a little saturated at this time, but there is money to be made, and I'm going to show you how. So, come on in. We're going to make this video short and sweet. It all depends on what you want to achieve. It depends on what you want out of your business and where do you see yourself in the next 3 to 5 years or even 5 to 10 years. Do you want the fastest, easiest way to get into real estate? Do you want to build cash reserve? Do you want passive income? Or are you looking to leave a legacy? Think on that and ask yourself that question. Ask yourself those questions. The strategy for quick cash for bills is wholesaling. And we talk about that all the time on this channel. Wholesaling is a low risk and quick capital. It's truly the fastest, low cost way to get into real estate. You need minimum capital to start, but it does require sweat equity. Wholesaling, quick cash, quick money, quick way to pay your bill. The second strategy is to fix and flip. You've heard about fix and flip. Fix and flip helps you to build up cash reserve. It helps you to start being able to get ready to have passive income for the next strategy. So the second strategy is to fix and flip, to become a rehabber, where you go in, you fix the property, and you sell it to an end buyer at retail price, at retail value. Wholesaling, fix and flip. And the third strategy is rentals. Rentals is basically that strategy you'll use for passive income. It's the strategy you'll use for your family. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe. I need you to smash that subscribe button. So there you have it, the 3 strategies: wholesaling, fix and flip, and also rentals as passive income. The second strategy as a fix and flip, keep in mind, you do need to have some type of money. You need to have some money reserved already. So that's why a lot of times you start with the first strategy of wholesaling most of the time. But if you already have a little cash or you have great credit, then you can start at the second strategy. Regardless, each strategy will take you to where you are building a cash reserve, where you're building a legacy. And as you're building a legacy, you can also build cash reserve to start investing in commercial, to start investing in apartments, lending money as a lender. Real estate investing is endless. There's so many different strategies. It's not just wholesaling, fix and flip, and rentals, but those are the 3 most common main strategies that you may want to look at in building a real estate business. Wholesale, quick cash, fix and flip, cash reserve, passive income for rentals. You know, I like my shout outs. I like to give a shout out and give a warm welcome to Diocho Girl, Milano, John Grant, Brianna George, and Astrology Inside. I want to give a shout out. Thank you to the new subscribers. Congratulations, and continue to watch the Rena MoMoney Plus videos. Thank you again. Be sure to watch the next video.